Welcome to the best of LA. Now take a look at this Land Rover. It's a wonderful machine, and if you own a Land Rover or a Range Rover, you already know what a wonderful piece of equipment you have. Now there's only one problem, and that problem is that when it comes time for service or repairs, you don't have a lot of choices of where to take it. And usually you're stuck taking it to a dealer. The dealer knows they're the only game in town, and they charge you a lot of money to get it fixed. And if you own one of these cars, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But you think, who else can I trust, right? Well, if you live near or in the South Bay, I have great news. There's an independent shop in South Bay authorized to service and repair Land Rovers and Range Rovers. The shop is called Dr. Autotech. They specialize in Range Rovers and Land Rovers. Take a look at their website. It's right here at drautotech.com. That's drautotech.com. Now, they opened their doors in 1967 or 69. Sorry, they opened their doors in 1969, so they've been around for a long time, and they definitely know what they're doing. What is really special about them is that they're equipped with the AutoLogic Land Rover factory diagnostic system. They are one of just a very few shops in the entire state of California with this professional Land Rover test equipment. The bottom line is they will get your car fixed, and they will do it for less. Don't believe me though. Take a look at their 5-star reviews right here. Let's go to their reviews. Look at all these 5-star reviews. So let's just click on one. These are all, by the way, these are all hyperlinked to the original review on Yelp. So these are all on Yelp, and you can take a look at them on Yelp and see for yourself. So you see here, this is by Jack D. This is his profile. You can see he's been doing it for a long time. He has quite a few reviews here, and he gives 5 stars to Dr. Autotech. Now let's read through his experience and see what he experienced when he went there. It says, my 2007 Range Rover needed extensive mechanical repairs, so I had it towed to the dealership for an estimate. After a detailed inspection, the dealership quoted me $5,800 to get the repairs done. Can you imagine that? That's a big bill. At that given time, I didn't have the money for the expensive repairs, so I had my vehicle towed back to my home. Can you imagine that? You tow it to the dealer, and then you got to tow it back. And one of my neighbors noticed my car being towed back to my house and suggested that I take my car to Dr. Autotech to see Dr. Vaskin, who is the technician at Dr. Autotech. She assured me that he would be able to provide me with a more reasonable quote. Not knowing where to turn, I took my neighbor's advice and called the doctor. That phone call ended up changing my life. Dr. Autotech is a family-owned and operated auto repair business that believes in customer satisfaction and not like the dealership whose main concern was the pay. Dr. Vaskin and his wife Lena were so friendly and professional, I was amazed. They repaired my vehicle. Now listen to this. They repaired my vehicle for $2,300. Remember, the dealer wanted to charge $5,800, so he saved $3,500 by going to Dr. Autotech. Half of the repairs of the dealership that the dealership was suggesting wasn't even necessary. They took care of me as if I was family. They take so much pride in customer service and workmanship, it is impeccable. And their workmanship is impeccable. They even did a courtesy detail upon the completion of repairs. I have suggested many family and friends, and they have all been satisfied. I recommend Dr. Autotech to all Yelpers. So there you have it. There's a customer experience. You can go to the website here, and you can read more. That's right there at drautotech.com. You can give them a call, 310-379-4479. And you know, if you need a good mechanic for a Range Rover or Land Rover in South Bay, give these guys a call. Your car and your wallet's going to thank you for it. This is our pick for the best repair shop for Range Rover and Land Rover in South Bay.